All right, so now we're beginning example 3, where we're doing the same exact thing. We're evaluating algebraic expressions. This time, we have fractions. The process doesn't change. Again, you're allowed to use those calculators, so make sure that you're carefully write your stuff down, but calculate the actual those things on a calculator. So let's see what they have. All right, so when they squared this, the s squared, they took the side of the tile, right, because s is the side length right here, and they multiplied it by the other side length. These are squares, so each side length is the same. So s squared will give you the area. So if you take the area of the whole floor he wants to tile and you divide it by the area of each tile, the answer will be how many tiles you need to tile the whole floor, right? So let's see. Here we go. Oh, let's go back. So they took the 27 divided by side squared. They squared that 1/3 first, became 27 divided by 1/9. And then they kept change flipped. 27 times 9/1 equals 243. They need 243 tiles that measure 1/3 foot on each side to cover 27 square feet. All right. I'm going to assume we're still dealing with the 27 square feet of the whole floor. So we're going to take 27 square feet, and this time we're going to divide it by the area of each tile, which in this case is 3/4 squared, right? So 3/4 squared. All right, so order of operations tells me I have to do that first. So some side work, 3/4 times 3/4, top times top, bottom times bottom, we get 9/16. All right, so now we have 27 divided by 9/16. Keep change flip. 27 over 1. I'm going to change the division sign to multiplication, and I'm going to flip the second fraction. I notice that I can simplify diagonally before I multiply. Since 9 goes into both, I get that's a 1, and 27 divided by 9 gives me a 3. So 3 times 16 is going to be 48. And 1 times 1 is 1. So at this size tile, Mr. Grant would only need 48 tiles. So again, it's an if, right? Because we don't, the variable means if each if each side length is 3/4 of a foot, then he would need 48 tiles to cover the 27 square feet. All right, so the questions that go with this portion are 21 to 23, and I'll pause the video and write it down for what you need. All right, so one more time, the questions that go with example 3 are 21, 22, and 23, 25, and 33. Do those questions, make sure you raise your hand for assistance if you need it, and good luck.